I met you in the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel as though I wasn't off. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you, I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know. 'Cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're growing old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you'll get better.
Sino po? Dito nga po. Opo. Saan po?
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hindi po talaga kayo available today. Sinadya na po kasi talaga namin dito, ma'am. Actually, malapit na po sana kami sa meeting place.
Okay.
Opo.
Ma'am, kasi ano ako sa time yun.
Oh, no!
Hello?
Yes po. Bali, ma'am, saan po kayo ngayon? Pwede po namin, ma'am, diretsuhin na lang po dyan. Magkita lang po talaga namin, ma'am, please. Kahit ngayon lang po.
HKS. One day din yan na napagtanggal.
Okay lang po, ma'am. Okay lang po yan. Magbibigay po ako ng time po para dyan. Pero gusto ko po makita po sana today po. Opo, para ma-confirm po na. Kasi kasama ko po yung partner ko po today para makita niya din po kung magustuhan niya or else makuha na po namin agad-agad po. At saka mabayaran po namin kayo today. Po.
Okay. Nasa ano pa kasi Monday na siguro sir or tomorrow. So wala ako ang ngayon. Medyo apigi ako sa time ba.
Kahit 5 to 10 minutes lang, ma'am, sana po. Kasi sayang po yung time po kasi nakaalis na kami, ma'am. Tapos kinancel ko na po yung yung meeting ko po ngayong hapon. Pwede ko po bang malaman kung saan po kayo today, ma'am, para mapuntahan na lang din namin para sure na kahit...
Okay, sir, matanong ko lang sir ha. Ikaw na nag-post dun sa sir na barangay ka?
Opo, actually, hindi ko na po naman.
One eternity.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ma'am Julian! Ma'am, it's all a prank. Actually, ma'am, ganito, kami po yung kausap nyo kanina pa. Yung gusto tumingin ng HKS na muffler, yun! Ayan, ma'am, nandiyan po si na ma'am, kasabot po namin. Ayan, ma'am, pwede po kayo dito.
Okay.
Ayan, na-surprise po namin kayo, ma'am, dahil so far po, sa lahat ng clients, sa inyo po talaga kami nahirapan. Ang tigas, sobra. Grabe yung trust issue ni ma'am, kasi agad-agad talagang nirefuse niya kami.
Sabi ko kasi utang.
Anyway, ma'am, before that, ang lahat ng ito, ma'am, ang hinanda po ni Sir Kevin. Ayan. Gusto niyo pong ipaabot, ma'am, ang kanyang pagbati ng maligayang kaarawan. So, ma'am, We are from Princess Surprise on Wheels. Ayan. So, ma'am, dahil po nasa Princess Surprise on Wheels kayo, let me...
Okay.
Yeah. And of course, meron po tayo birthday song. Ayan. And of course, ma'am, meron po kayo.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Thank you so much for supporting me, guys, as representative of Davao del Sur. Wala money.
Ayan. Ma'am, meron po din kayong Ferrero chocolates. Ayusin po natin, ma'am. Okay. And of course, ma'am, you have your cake na nakalagay, Happy Birthday, Sweetheart! Okay, we are, that cake is from Cake Gallery Davao, ma'am. And of course, meron pong framed message si Sir Kevin na pin-repair for you na pwede nyo pong i-display for a lifetime. Ma'am, dito ka na, initan ka po.
Okay.
Ayan. And of course, ma'am, meron po kayong human size teddy bear. Ang dami po surprises. Ma'am, baka na dyan po sa likod. Balita po namin, meron na daw po kayong pink, so red naman daw po ngayon. Ayan. Sige, ma'am, so, okay. Na-surprise po ba namin kayo, ma'am?
As in, ayun. Akala ko kasi may pipirmahan na documents about dito sa
Ma'am,
store.
wala po kaming choice. Actually, yung prompt namin is yung muffler talaga. Ayun pa kami 1 p.m. So, wala kaming choice kundi ang sabahin talaga sila Sir Ace and sina ma'am po. Maraming salamat po.
Okay.
So, before that, ma'am, babasahin ko po muna yung message ni Sir Kevin for you.
Okay.
Happy birthday, sweetheart. We've been through a lot of trials, but still here we are, loving and choosing each other day after days. I will always be here for you through ups and downs. I'm very blessed that God gave me a wonderful girl like you.
Wonderful.
Just remember this. I will only stop loving you if the sun rise to west and set to east.
Kung sa north o south.
I have a lot to say, but for now, ito na lang po muna daw. Okay. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day, sweetheart. I love you so much. I miss you. And see you soon. Yay! Palakpakan naman po natin. Okay, ma'am, tanggapin niyo po itong friend message from Sir Kevin. At least, ma'am, nahuli po namin kayo ngayon. Ayaw niyo po magpahuli, ha?
Dami kasi akong nilakad.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Alam po namin busy po na talaga kayo, ma'am. So, ma'am, before po kayo mag-blow ng iyong birthday cake, you have our documented video here. Later on, mapapanood niyo po sa official page ng Princess Surprise on Wheels.
Okay.
Ma'am, ano po ang reply ninyo kay Sir Kevin?
Nasa mali ka na, Binisaya, Tagalog, o
ano po express?
Sinandayan na lang siguro, no? In-check ko, ginariyan. Ito, sir, thank you kayo. Kaya na-surprise yun ko. Wala ko na-expect, ani. And, of course, salamat sa tanan effort and sa time nga imuha ginaano sa ko despite sa mga challenges nga ginagaano sa ato naagi hapon ta. Unta, padayon gihapon kaluyan gihapon ta sa ano. Lang, thank you and
Yay! Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Ann! Ang pretty ni Ma'am Ann! So, dahil dyan, ma'am, sa Princess Surprise on Wheels, kayo po yung princess naman namin ngayon. Yes, sana all no more! Yay!
Sana all ako.
Wala na po sana all, ma'am.
Wala na sana all.
Okay. Mga mag-blow po kayo ng inyong birthday candle.
Okay, okay.
Ayusin natin yung sash mo.
Okay, okay, sige.
Okay. Light mo po muna yung sparkling fountain mo, ha? Ay, wait lang. Yay! Tingin ka dito, ma'am!
Happy birthday to you.
Hey! Yay! Of course, mag-blow po kayo. Then, wait po muna before blow.
Okay.
Lakas ang hangin. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Again, ma'am, from Princess Surprise on Wheels. Ay, salamat! At nahuli namin si Ma'am Out. Sir Kevin, maraming salamat po for trusting and choosing Princess Surprise on Wheels. Ma'am, happy birthday, dear.